Hello, welcome to Carlson Corner. Today we'll be chatting about how to use Carlson test kits. Carlson offers 4 kits that allow you to test your levels from the comfort of home. Available options include the omega-3, Mom's DHA, vitamin D, and A1C test kits. They're safe and easy to use, and the directions are the same for every kit. Let's get started. Step 1. Collect a small blood sample with a simple finger prick, then apply it to the sample collection card. Step 2. Mail it to Omega Quant Lab to be assessed. Results will be sent to the email address provided within 2 to 4 weeks. Step 3. Take appropriate action if recommended. Modifying your diet or lifestyle can help improve results. Step 4. Keep with it. It typically takes 2 to 3 months to improve test results, so be sure to monitor progress by taking a test every few months. Visit carlsonlabs.com to learn more.